Hello, English learners. I'm Ms. Johnson. Today, you will hear the most common English sentences that people use every day. These are not difficult sentences. These are simple sentences, short sentences, useful sentences. You can hear them at home, at work, at the store, at a restaurant, on the street, anywhere. Listen to each sentence. Pay attention to the words and the rhythm. Don't try to repeat, just listen. Let your ears learn the patterns. Ready? Let's begin. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Hello. How are you? I am fine, thank you. And you? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. How have you been? Long time no see. What's new? Nothing much, same as always. Take care. See you later. See you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Take care of yourself. Excuse me. Sorry. I'm sorry. That's okay. No problem. Don't worry about it. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much. You're welcome. My pleasure. I appreciate it. I really appreciate your help. That's very kind of you. No worries. It's fine. Don't mention it. What is your name? My name is Johnson. Where are you from? I am from Canada. Where do you live? I live in Toronto. What do you do for work? I am a teacher. Do you like your job? Yes, I love it. What do you do in your free time? I like reading and walking. Do you have any brothers or sisters? Yes, I have one sister. No, I don't have any siblings. What are your hobbies? I enjoy cooking and listening to music. What time is it? It's 3 o'clock. What day is today? Today is Monday. What is the date today? It's May 15th. When does the store open? It opens at 9. When does it close? It closes at 8. Do you have the time? Sorry, I don't have a watch. Is it morning or afternoon? It's afternoon. Is it late? No, it isn't late. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 7. What time do you go to sleep? I go to sleep around 11. How much is this? It's $10. That's too expensive. Do you have a cheaper one? Yes, this one is $5. I'll take it. Do you accept credit cards? Yes, we do. Sorry, cash only. Can I have a receipt? Sure, here you are. Where is the fitting room? It's over there. Do you have this in a different color? We have blue, black, and white. What size do you need? I need a medium. Can I try this on? Yes, of course. This doesn't fit, it's too small. Do you have a larger size? Let me check in the back. I would like to order, please. Are you ready to order? Yes, I'll have the chicken soup. What do you recommend? The fish is very good today. I'll have that. How would you like your steak? Medium rare, please. What comes with the dish? It comes with rice and vegetables. Can I have some water, please? Still or sparkling? Still, please. Is the coffee hot? Yes, it's very hot. Can I have the bill, please? Sure, I'll bring it right away. Is service included? No, it isn't included. Keep the change. Thank you. Come again. Where is the bathroom? It's down the hall on the left. How do I get to the station? Go straight for 2 blocks, turn left at the traffic light. Is it far? No, it isn't far. About 10 minutes on foot. Can I take a bus? Yes, the number 12 bus goes there. How often does the bus come? Every 15 minutes. Where can I buy a ticket? You can buy one on the bus. Is this the right train for London? No, this train goes to Manchester. You need platform 3. Thank you for your help. You're welcome. Have a safe trip. What do you want for breakfast? I want eggs and toast. Do you want coffee or tea? Coffee, please. What time is dinner? Dinner is at 7. Can you set the table? Yes, I'll do it now. Where are the keys? They are on the table. I can't find my phone. Did you check your bag? Oh, here it is. Thanks. Who was at the door? I don't know. Can you check? It's the mailman. What's for dinner tonight? I'm making pasta. That sounds good. Can you help me with this? Of course. What do you need? I can't open this jar. Let me try. There you go. Thank you. How was your day? It was busy, but good. What did you do today? I went to work and then to the store. Did you see anyone interesting? No, not really. What are you doing tomorrow? I'm staying home. Do you want to watch a movie tonight? Sure, that sounds fun. What kind of movie? Something funny. I like comedies too. Let's watch that one. Okay, let me get some snacks. I'll turn on the TV. Perfect. Can you speak slower, please? Sorry, I speak too fast. Can you repeat that? I didn't understand. Of course. I said, where is the bank? How do you say this word in English? Let me think. You say it like this. Is that correct? Yes, that's perfect. What does this word mean? It means very happy. Can you give me an example? She was happy with her gift. Now I understand. Thank you for explaining. No problem. Happy to help. I am so tired today. Me too. I didn't sleep well. Why not? I don't know. Just couldn't sleep. Maybe you should drink less coffee. You're right. I will try that. I feel much better today. That's good to hear. What changed? I went to bed earlier last night. See? It works. Yes, you were right. I'm happy for you. Thanks. I'm hungry. Let's eat something. Good idea. What do you want? Anything is fine with me. How about pizza? Perfect. I'll order it. Great. Don't worry. Everything will be okay. I hope so. I'm so stressed about the test. You studied hard. You will do fine. What if I fail? Then you try again. Failing isn't the end. You're right. I just need to relax. Yes, take a deep breath, in and out. Better? A little. You've got this. I believe in you. Thank you. That means a lot. That's what friends are for. I don't understand this sentence. Which part is confusing? The last word. What is that word? It means quickly. Oh, now I see. Can you read the whole sentence again? Sure. The dog ran quickly to the door. Now I understand completely. Good. Your English is improving every day. You really think so? I don't just think so, I know so. That makes me feel proud. You should be proud. You work hard. Thanks for saying that. You're welcome. Is this seat taken? No, it's free. Can I sit here? Of course. I'm Johnson. Nice to meet you. I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you too. Is this your first time here? Yes, it is. Mine too. What do you think? It's very nice. I agree. The music is good. Yes, and the people are friendly. Would you like something to drink? Sure, I'll have water. I'll get it for you. That's very kind. Don't mention it. Call me tomorrow. What time? Around 10 in the morning. Okay, I'll call you then. Don't forget. I won't forget. Promise? Promise. See you tomorrow. See you. Have a good night. You too. Good night. Sleep well. Thanks. You too. Bye. Bye. That is the end of today's listening practice. You heard many common English sentences. Sentences for greetings, sentences for shopping, sentences for eating out, sentences for directions, sentences for home, sentences for conversation. Some of these you already know. Some might be new. That's fine. Listen to this practice again tomorrow. Again next week. Each time you will remember more. Each time the sentences will feel more familiar. You don't need to memorize them. Just listen. Your brain will learn. Your ears will learn. Slowly, these sentences will become yours. You will hear them in movies. You will hear them on the street. You will hear them in conversations. And one day, you will say them yourself, without thinking, without translating, just naturally. Thank you for listening. Keep listening. Keep practicing. Be patient with yourself. Your English is growing every day, even when you don't feel it, even when it seems slow. Trust the process. Take care of yourself, and I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye.